In this course, you will practically learn the concepts of machine learning, from basics to advanced, and develop the skills needed for an exciting career in machine learning. This course is designed for beginners, to help them get a good start in their career. The course involves you to build multiple projects, and helps you develop a good understanding of machine learning practically. First, you will start by learning the basics of machine learning, and develop a project to predict the price of a new house, using Boston House Pricing Dataset. As part of the second project, you will develop a machine learning model, to predict fraudulent credit card transactions. You will develop this project, by applying classification techniques on an existing credit card transactions dataset. The third project you develop is a movie recommendation project, that can recommend movie titles based on the user's viewing history, like how you get in Netflix. You will pre-process the data using popular techniques, and train the model to recommend movie titles. And finally, you will develop a machine learning model, to predict handwritten digits, using the MNIST dataset. You will use popular machine learning libraries, like TensorFlow and Keras, to train a neural network model, and predict the handwritten digits. This project also helps you understand the basics of computer vision. As part of the course, you will also learn to use various tools like Anaconda, Jupyter, Pandas, sklearn, NumPy, etc. The course is based on Skyfi Labs' Learn, Do, Review methodology, which ensures that you learn the technical concepts, in addition to building the project. A topic like machine learning can only be learned by building projects, and Skyfi Labs makes the process super easy for you. Get course access instantly upon enrollment. And you can complete the project from anywhere on Earth, and build your profile with Smart certification. Using Skyfi Labs courses, you will not only build projects with a definite output, but also learn the concepts involved in it. So you can attend and crack interviews with confidence. Start learning today, and develop your profile for a great career.